In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to change your ball joint on your Honda CR-V 2008. This car has only one ball joint, the lower one, so there is no upper one, I think. First, you lift your car and you remove your wheel or your tire, and then you can see your ball joint. It's this part. You don't need to remove the drive shaft or to remove any other part to remove it. So just take off the pin, the safety pin, and then unscrew this nut. And it's a 19mm nut maybe. And the newer one here is bigger. Yeah, so but the original one, I think it was a 19mm one. So you remove it, and then you use your ball joint remover, and then it's like a, it's like a fork and a thing that goes here, or like that pushes here. And when you use it, it may be like, when you take this off, this part, when you take the ball joint off this part, it will sound, when you take it off this part, it will make a bit like high sound, like it will make a click sound, but it may be like, you don't need to be scared, or but prepare yourself because it can be like stuck hard. So after you get it down, you can remove a nut here and a nut in the other side, this one, and the one here, it's a bolt. So and then you can push your link arm maybe a bit lower, like to the downside, and you can remove it. It's an easy job, it's not that hard. And when you want to put your new one, you do the same things. You can first install the ball joint here on the link arm, and then you install it here in this thing. So you don't need to remove the drive shaft or to remove another part to do this job. It's an easy job. But always use good parts, because this is an important thing. It's not a joke to use a bad one, or like a bad brand, or it's never a joke to drive your car maybe with worn rubber here, because it will cause that the grease will go out and dirt will go in, and the metal will be touching the metal, and it will be worn, and then your ball joint may be two parts, and this may go up and then out of the car, so your wheel can go out of the car while you are driving. It can be really dangerous, and it can cause much problems. It can cause that your drive shaft will be broken, and other things. You don't need this to happen, so be careful. These things you have to have good ones here, like good brand, or good quality, and good ones, when you inspect your car, they check them, I think, but be careful, you can check them also by yourself. And this is how to do this job. It's not a hard job. So